We're doing river rafting. Welcome to Ricky Baby Travel Vlog. And we're doing a river rafting today. So our schedule, it's 10 a.m. today, and the next one is 1 p.m. So this river rafting in Bakersfield is just for beginners. So if you want to have fun with your family and the kids, this is the perfect spot to do river rafting. So our schedule will be 10 o'clock. So this is the bus will take us to the river. So this is the waiting area. And there. People start showing up for the 10 a.m. adventure. So that's the raft that we are going to use today. And we're going to a river and rafting. Yeah.
Oh, wake up, wake up, wake up. Who's ready to go rafting?
Yeah!
Well, the kids are the ones who are asleep. Who didn't give them coffee this morning? Come on. They're supposed to burn calories today. Alrighty, folks. My name is Saul. I'm going to be one of the guys. In the back, we have a few more. We have Olivia. We have Kaden. And we have Nick. The driver. Give it up for Roll. Now, don't confuse us. His name is Raw. My name is Saul. We tag team the front of the bus, though. Alright? So, Raw drives, and I do all the other stuff that involves, like, unlocking doors and entertaining you for 2 minutes at a time. Other than that, who's never done this before we get onto the road?
First time.
Alright, first time. So this is a regular school bus, and Raw's a professional school bus driver, so you're in safe hands. Not a big deal. Other than that, who traveled the furthest today to get here?
15 minutes.
You traveled? How far did you travel? 4 hours?
Whoa.
Oh, wow. You must live real far away, huh? Do you live really far away up north, or do you live really far up south? Irvine. Oh, that could be really far. Can anybody beat Irvine? Going once. Going twice. Sold. Irvine wins again. I don't know what Irvine wins, but they win again. Alrighty, folks. Once we travel through this orchards for about 45 to 55 minutes, we will start our trip. Just be patient. You kids know about patience, right? Right? You're all doctors. You know about patience. Those are the people that come to you when they're sick.
That was
All right, keep your hands and feet in the bus at all times. If you look to your left and the right, these are our money trees. If you grow the right crop, you can make a lot of money.
they're orange trees.
Sometimes they're orange, sometimes they're almonds, but they're always in